Start by mapping your room with a scaled plan so you can visualize tile runs and minimize cuts. Measure the room precisely and record length and width to the nearest eighth of an inch, then sketch a scaled drawing on graph paper or use simple floor planning software to keep dimensions proportional. Identify fixed features like doors, cabinets, and floor vents and mark them on the plan so you can plan tile placement around them rather than around the cuts. Establish a primary layout line by snapping an outer reference line and then finding the center or a focal point, usually the longest uninterrupted run, and dry lay a row of full tiles to check for even borders. If edges would produce narrow slivers under 1 inch, shift the layout line by half a tile to balance cuts across opposite walls. Calculate tile quantities by measuring the plan area, adding 10% for waste on straight layouts and up to 15% for diagonal or pattern layouts, and always round up to the next full box count because partial boxes are impractical. Create a tile cutting schedule listing tile sizes and quantities for perimeter and around fixtures so you know which cuts to make first and which tiles to reserve for visible locations. Prepare a materials and tool checklist including thinset, grout, notch trowel, appropriate to tile size, tile spacers, tile cutter or wet saw, level, chalk line, and backerboard or uncoupling membrane if installing over plywood or concrete that shows movement. Common mistakes start with poor measuring, which leads to running out of tiles or excessive waste, so double-check measurements and confirm your calculations before purchase. Another frequent issue is starting without a clear layout line, which can leave narrow slivers at walls. Fix this by dry laying and adjusting your primary layout until borders are balanced on opposite sides. A third problem is neglecting substrate preparation, which causes lippage and tile failure. Ensure the subfloor is level within tile manufacturer tolerances, install backerboard or membrane as required, and follow proper adhesive open time and coverage techniques. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile installation by helping us discover local professionals and review past work. We host a discussion community where our users exchange tips and ask questions so both homeowners and contractors can learn and find job opportunities.